Are you ready to elevate your driving experience? Custom lifted trucks are the way to go. Sarasota Ford specializes in building custom lifted Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks right here in sunny Sarasota, Florida. With their in-house program, 707 Performance, they offer a unique service that sets them apart. 707 Performance installs professional lift systems reaching up to 6 inches and fits tires as large as 37 inches. They add performance upgrades like superchargers and eye-catching custom paint jobs. Every vehicle is built under one roof, ensuring quality and accountability from the start. Why choose Sarasota Ford? Their reputation is stellar, boasting a 4.9-star rating based on over 1,700 reviews. Customers rave about the clear, itemized pricing that avoids any surprise costs. You can choose from pre-lifted trucks ready for immediate purchase or have a truck custom built to fit your exact specifications. When considering a custom truck, aim for several key factors. Look for in-house labor to ensure accountability. Confirm warranty coverage for both the lift and the vehicle. A wider range of lift heights and tire sizes ensures your vehicle matches your driving needs, whether on-road or off-road. Sarasota Ford also offers easy financing options that roll the lift costs into your vehicle purchase. First-time buyers are welcome. Their finance team can help structure a loan that fits any budget, so you can get the lift of your dreams without stress. Every new purchase comes with exclusive benefits, like the $5,000 Icon membership. This includes access to unique amenities such as a private lounge and a top-notch dining experience at Le Mans Kitchen, serving delicious meals crafted by an award-winning chef. Need maintenance? Sarasota Ford's service department offers expert maintenance on lifted trucks with Ford-certified technicians, ensuring your truck remains in excellent condition. So, if you're interested in a custom lifted truck, visit Sarasota Ford at 707 South Washington Boulevard, Sarasota, Florida. Book a test drive today and start your custom build journey with the dedicated 707 Performance team. Elevate your off-road adventures now.